Welcome back to my channel. This is Wanda's Witchy Workshop by Charles Rodgers. I believe he did it in 2015. I have put a lot of work into scouring the SAP archives on rainy days. I just go through and pick songs or authors, and I just try to find, their best offerings, and then this is how they end up. But there's a lot of crappy songs that I go through to find these for you. Anyways, this is in mono. Enjoy. Way to go, Charles. Good song.